Hi, I'm Ron Koenigsberg, President of American Investment Properties. Over the past 2 years, we've talked in great depth about the changing landscape in retail, with experiential retail being a driving force. We've covered this extensively in our monthly bulletin articles and through our monthly video series as well. In today's video, we're touching upon 3 additional components of change in retail that further emphasize the continued impact on the retail industry and therefore the retail market pertaining to commercial real estate. Number 1, shift to e-commerce. United States e-commerce sales are up 15.5% versus this time last year. And with online sales making over 10% of all retail, the continued rise in e-commerce is steadily taking market share from brick and mortar stores. Given the environment, some traditional retailers are closing stores, while others are choosing to flex and shift their focus to online. This shift in focus to e-commerce is impacting the commercial real estate industrial market as more and more companies are acquiring warehouse space to expand distribution efforts. Number 2, advances in technology. One way to stay relevant as a brick and mortar is to make advantages in in-store technology, providing the consumer with digital products that elevate the shopping experience. Stores like Walmart and BJ's are creating apps and providing electronic devices to customers, giving the consumer the option to scan and shop for items and then check out, all from a handheld device. This tech advantage makes shopping more convenient and streamlined. Number 3, augmented reality. Another component elevating the retail experience is augmented reality. This feature allows users to overlay digital renderings onto their homes through their smartphone screens via an app. Stores such as IKEA, Target, and Lowe's all have debuted augmented reality, or AR shopping technology, and Amazon has recently joined in on it as well. Thanks for watching our monthly video on additional components of change behind the shift in retail. I hope you found this information timely and useful. As always, if you have any questions about the Long Island commercial real estate market, please contact us at American Investment Properties. Thank you.